Greetings, young minds. Today, we embark on an enchanting adventure, the world of web wizardry with HTML and CSS, the dynamic duo that brings websites to life. With HTML, you lay the foundation, and CSS adds the charm. Together, they let you craft stunning websites that leave a lasting impression on visitors. HTML and CSS are where the magic begins, creating captivating experiences online. Dive into responsive design. Your websites will adapt gracefully to any device, making them accessible to all. With CSS animations, you can add delightful interactions that leave users spellbound. Join a vibrant community of web enthusiasts, where knowledge flows freely and creativity knows no bounds. Our training program provides you with hands-on guidance, challenges, and real-world projects to hone your skills. College students, heed the call. Awaken your creativity and embrace the art of web design. From startups to renowned companies, HTML, CSS experts are sought after in today's digital landscape. Unleash the power of web wizardry. Enroll now to begin your journey into the captivating world of HTML and CSS.